Hello students, today we will proceed further for the next part of chapter 5, The 100 Races. Wanda Petrovsky, most of the children in room 13 didn't have names like that. They had names easy to say like Thomas, Smith or Allen. So in the school, all the children were having easy names like Thomas Smith or Allen, but only Wanda was having different name. There was one boy named Bounce, Willie Bounce, and people thought that was funny, but not funny in the same way that Petronsky was. So in the class, in the room number 13, one boy's name was Bounce, Willie Bounce, and all the children thought that it was also a funny name, but other children thought that it was not as funny as Petronsky. So Wanda Petronsky was a different name in the class, and that is why all the children were amused. Wanda didn't have any friends. She came to school alone and went home alone. So Wanda Petronsky was not having any friend in the school. She was coming to school alone and going back to school also alone. She always wore a faded blue dress that didn't hang right. And while she was coming to school, only one dress she was wearing, and that was faded blue dress. Faded means old blue dress. And it was also not hanging right. Hang right means what? Not fitting properly to her. It was clean, but it looked as though it had never been ironed properly. And that blue dress was clean, but it was looking that it was never ironed before. तो वो प्रेस किया हुआ बराबर नहीं था, इसीलिए वो फेडेड लगता था. वो क्लीन था, but it was not pressed properly. It was not ironed properly. She didn't have any friends, but a lot of girls talked to her. Sometimes they surrounded her in the schoolyard as she stood watching the little girls play hopscotch on the worn hard ground. So Wanda Petronsky didn't have any friend in the school, but lot of girls used to talk to her. And these girls used to talk to her not because they were friend of Wanda Petronsky, but they used to make fun of Wanda Petronsky, and that is why they usually talk to Wanda Petronsky. And sometimes these girls in the school surrounded her in the schoolyard, and all other school girls was watching this Wanda Petronsky, and little girls were playing at that time hopscotch on the ground. Hopscotch is a kind of game. तो यहाँ पर दिया गया है कि ये वंडा पेट्रोन्स्की जो थी, तो उसकी कोई ऐसी बेस्ट फ्रेंड तो नहीं थी, लेकिन सारी गर्ल्स उसको मजाक उड़ाने के लिए उसके साथ वो बातें करती थी वहाँ पर स्कूल में. और कभी कभी ये जो सारी गर्ल्स थी वो उसको घेर भी लेती थी ग्राउंड पर, जब उनकी रिसेस होती थी या फ्री टाइम होता था तब. और सारी जो छोटी छोटी लड़कियां थी वहाँ पर हॉपस्कॉच भी खेलती थी. Wanda, Peggy would say in a most courteous manner as though she were talking to Miss Mason. So Miss Mason is the class teacher of Wanda Petronsky, and in class of Wanda Petronsky, Peggy and Maddie were also there. So Peggy always asked in most courteous manner as though she was talking to Miss Mason. जैसे कि वो टीचर के साथ बातें करती है, वैसे ही वो वंडा से क्या पूछती है? In a most courteous manner means in a most polite manner. She would ask her, Wanda, she would say, giving one of her friends a nudge, tell us, how many dresses did you say you had hanging up in your closet? तो वो क्या करती थी, ये जो पैगी है वो उसकी अदर फ्रेंड को वो नज देती थी. नज मीन्स जेंटल पुश. So she was giving gentle push to other girls, other friends of her, and she was asking Wanda Petronsky that how many dresses did you have in your closet? Closet means cupboard. So वो पूछती थी, ये पैगी जो है वो वंडा पेट्रोन्स्की से पूछती थी कि तुम्हारे पास कितनी ड्रेसेस है, आपके कपबोर्ड में कितनी ड्रेसेस है। 100, Wanda would say. So Wanda Petronsky was giving answer that I was having 100 dresses. 100, exclaimed all the little girls incredulously, and the little ones would stop playing hopscotch and listen. So जो लिटिल गर्ल्स थी, जो हॉपस्कॉच खेल रही होती थी, वो सारी रुक जाती थी। And they all were showing unwillingness to believe. Incredulously, the meaning is given here, showing unwillingness to believe. So सारी लड़कियां ये मानने से वो अनविलिंग होती थी, और वो सारी लड़कियां खेलते खेलते एकदम से स्टॉप हो जाती थी, और वो पूछती थी कि आपके पास 100 ड्रेस है। वंडा पेट्रोन्स्की, यू आर हैविंग 100 ड्रेसेस? या 100, all lined up, said Wanda. Then her thin lips drew together in silence. And Wanda Petronsky was giving answer that yes, I was having 100 dresses and all lined up in my closet. And then she became silence. What are they like? All silk, I bet, said Peggy. So Peggy asked her that what are they look like? All are silk, so all the dresses are having varieties of colors, varieties of materials, right? And that is why Peggy was asking her that which material do you have of your dress? All are silk, all are of silk material? Yeah, all silk, all colors. And Wanda Petronsky answered that yes, all dresses are of silk material and all colored dresses I was having in my cupboard. Velvet too? So Peggy asked another question that you are having velvet dresses also? Yeah, velvet too. 100 dresses. Wanda would repeat stolidly, all lined up in my closet. And Wanda Petronsky replied that yes, I was having a velvet dresses also, and I am having 100 dresses. And Wanda would repeat stolidly. Stolidly means what? Not showing any feeling. Actually, here Wanda Petronsky was sad. She was unhappy by this kind of question of Peggy. But then also she was not showing any kind of sorrow on her face. She was not showing any kind of feeling on her face. And she told that yes, I I am having 100 dresses and all lined up in my closet. Then they would let her go. And then before she would gone very far, they couldn't help bursting into shrieks and peals of laughter. And then they let her to go, और वो वहाँ से चली जाती थी। अभी वो आगे जाती भी नहीं थी। And all friends of Peggy used to make fun of her and used to laugh loudly. And that time Wanda Petronsky could listen the laughter of these girls also. And that time she was feeling very much sorry also. She was nervous also. But she was not showing that feeling on her face. 100 dresses, obviously. The only dress Wanda had was the blue one she wore every day. So why did she say she had 100? What a story. So obviously this Wanda Petronsky was having only one dress, that faded blue one, and she was wearing that blue dress every day. तो यहाँ पर एक क्वेश्चन अराइज होता है कि क्यों ये लड़की बोल रही थी कि मेरे पास 100 ड्रेसेस है। तो ये क्या स्टोरी थी, दैट वी विल सी फर्दर। हाउ मेनी शूज डिड यू से यू हैड? सो अनदर क्वेश्चन ये होता था दैट हाउ मेनी शूज डू यू हैव? 60 pairs all lined up in my closet. And that time Wanda Petronsky replied that I am having 60 pairs of shoes and all lined up in my closet. तो यहाँ पर ये वंडा पेट्रोन्स्की जो है, वो जब उसको पूछा जाता था कि आपके पास कितने शूज़ है, that time she used to give answer that I am having 60 pairs of shoes and all lined up in my closet. Cries of exaggeration, politeness greeted this all alike. And that time all girls became very much surprised by this kind of answer of Wanda Petronsky, and they used to ask her that all alike, वो सारे शूज़ जो है वो सेम हैं? Oh no, every pair is different, all colors, all lined up. And Vanda Petronsky replied at that time that no, every pair is different. I am having all colors of shoes and all lined up in my closet. Peggy, who had thought up this game, and Mary, her inseparable friend, were always the last to leave. And Peggy only started this game. So Peggy ने ये गेम जो है, कौन सी गेम, तो ये पूछने की गेम कि भाई तुम्हारे पास कितने पैर शूज़ के हैं, तुम्हारे पास कितने ड्रेसेस है. She started that game. And Maddie was an inseparable friend. Means they were both the best friend. Peggy and Maddie were the best friend, and they were always the last to leave. तो स्कूल में से वो अंत तक वो वहाँ पर ही रहते थे, आखिर में ही वो घर जाते थे. And they used to make fun of Wanda Petronsky every day. Finally, Wanda would move up the street, her eyes dull and her mouth closed, hitching her left shoulder every now and then in the funny way she had finishing the walk to school alone. And finally, Wanda would move up to the street, and that time her eyes were full of tears, means she was very much sad. Her eyes were dull and her mouth was closed, means she became silent. And hitching her left shoulder every now and then, hitching her left shoulder means ऊपर की तरफ उठाना. तो अपने शोल्डर को ऐसे ऊपर की तरफ उठाकर वो फनी वे में चलती जाती थी, और वो स्कूल में से घर पर अकेले ही जाया करती थी. तो जब तक वो स्कूल में होती थी तब तक ये जो लड़कियां थी, Peggy started the game, and Peggy and her other friends used to make fun of Wanda Petronsky. Peggy was not really cruel. She protected small children from bullies, and she cried for hours if she saw an animal mistreated. So here the writer has given the description of Peggy, the personality's description of Peggy, that Peggy was not really cruel. तो Peggy ऐसी cruel भी नहीं थी. And she protected small children from bullies. Bullies means what? Those who use their strength and power to frighten weaker people. तो स्कूल में भी ऐसे लड़के होते हैं और ऐसी लड़कियां होती है जो अपना पावर यूज़ करके वो वीकर स्टूडेंट को फ्राइटन करती है. तो यहाँ पर ये पैगी जो है वो उसका बिहेवियर दिया है. तो पैगी वो जो थी वो क्रूअल नहीं थी, बिकॉज शी प्रोटेक्टेड स्मॉल चिल्ड्रन फ्रॉम दिस काइंड ऑफ पावरफुल बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स. And if she saw any animal mistreated by anyone, that time she used to cry for hours. तो वो cruel भी नहीं थी. If anybody had said to her, "Don't you think that is a cruel way to treat Wanda?" she would have been very surprised. Cruel? Why did the girl say she had 100 dresses? And if anyone asked her that, "Don't you think that you are very cruel towards Wanda?" that time she became very surprised, and what she told, that cruel? I am not cruel. Why that girl is saying that I am having 100 dresses? तो ये जो पैगी है, तो उसको कोई अगर ऐसा पूछे कि तू क्यों इतनी क्रूअल है वेंडा पेट्रोन्स्की की तरफ, तो वो क्या बोलती थी कि मैं क्रूअल नहीं हूँ. क्यों ये लड़की ऐसा बोलती है कि मेरे पास 100 ड्रेसेस है. एंड ये वेंडा पेट्रोन्स्की जो है वो एक्चुअली झूठ बोल रही है कि मेरे पास 100 ड्रेसेस है. एंड दैट वाज नोन टू पैगी, एंड दैट इज़ वाई पैगी वाज पुलिंग लेग ऑफ दिस वंडा पेट्रोन्स्की. एनीबडी कुड टेल दैट दैट वाज अ लाई. और वो पैगी कहती थी कि कोई भी बोल सकता है कि ये झूठ है, क्योंकि वो एक ही ड्रेस एवरीडे पहनती थी, तो उसके पास 100 ड्रेसेस कैसे हो सकते हैं. वाई डिड सी want to lie? And she wasn't just an ordinary person, else why did she have a name like that anyway? They never made her cry. और वो कहती थी कि एक्चुअली दैट वंडा पेट्रोन्स्की was not an ordinary person. वो उनके जैसे नहीं थी, क्योंकि उसका नेम भी बहुत अजीब था. एंड वो सोचती थी, ये जो पैगी है, तो वो सोचती थी कि उसका नेम जो है वंडा पेट्रोन्स्की, वो नेम है वो भी उनके जैसा नहीं है. शी वॉज नॉट एन ऑर्डिनरी पर्सन. एंड उसको ऐसा लगता था कि वो लड़की झूठ क्यों बोल रही है, और वो ऐसा भी आर्ग्यूमेंट करती थी कि हम उसका फन करते हैं, बट वी नेवर मेड हर क्राई. As for Maddie, this business of asking Wanda every day how many dresses and how many hats and how many this and that she had was bothering her. So Maddie जो है तो वो बहुत ही चुपचाप रहती थी. She was feeling upset also because every now and then this Peggy was asking her that how many dresses do you have, how many hats do you have, how many shoes do you have. So these questions was bothering Maddie. Maddie was poor herself because ये जो Maddie थी वो भी poor थी, and that is why जो ये सारे क्वेश्चन थे वो उसको बॉदर करते थे, बहुत ही वरी करते थे. She usually wore somebody's hand-me-down clothes. Thank goodness she didn't live up on Borgin's height or have a funny name. So Maddie also usually wore somebody's hand-me-down clothes. Hand-me-down clothes means old clothes, second-hand clothes. तो ये मैडी जो है वो भी पुअर थी, बट उसकी अच्छी चीज़ वो थी that Maddie didn't live in Borkinside and she didn't have any funny name. तो उसके लिए वो भगवान का थैंक करती थी कि थैंक गॉड कि मैं बॉकिंसाइड में भी नहीं रहती हूँ और मेरा वैसा फनी नेम भी नहीं है, सिर्फ मैं उसके जैसे पुअर हूँ. Sometimes when Peggy was asking Wanda those questions in that mocking polite voice, Maddie felt embarrassed and studied the marbles in the palm of her hand, rolling them round and saying nothing herself. And when Peggy was asking Wanda Petronsky those kind of questions, that time uh, uh, Maddie was feeling embarrassment and she was feeling nervous, and whatever was there in the hand of Maddie, she used to observe them. And here Maddie was having in her hand marbles and she was rolling them around, and she became silent at that time because Maddie को ऐसा लगता था कि हमें ऐसा मजाक नहीं उड़ाना चाहिए. अगर किसी के पास कोई ड्रेस हो भी ना भी हो, शूज़ जितने भी हो ना भी हो, लेकिन हमें किसी का भी ऐसा मजाक नहीं उड़ाना चाहिए. एक्चुअली वी शुड हेल्प वन अनदर. तो रादर देन मेकिंग फन ऑफ वन अनदर वी शुड हेल्प वन अनदर, एंड दैट क्रिएट स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉन्डेज विद इन फ्रेंड्स. तो यहाँ पर ये मैडी को लगता था कि पैगी को ऐसे क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछने चाहिए मोकिंग वे में, मजाक के मूड में, और तब वो बहुत ही एम्बरेस फील करती थी. और वट एवर वॉज देर इन द हैंड ऑफ मैडी शी यूज टू ऑब्जर्व इट एंड रोलिंग देम राउंड. Not that she felt sorry for Wanda exactly. She would never have paid any attention to Wanda if Peggy hadn't invented the dresses game. एंड एक्चुअली ये जो मैडी है वो वंडा की तरफ बहुत सॉरी फील नहीं करती थी. एक्चुअली शी वुड नेवर हैव पेड एनी अटेंशन टुवर्ड्स वंडा पेट्रोन्स्की इफ पैगी हैड नेवर इन्वेंटेड दैट ड्रेसेस गेम. तो पैगी ने जब ये ड्रेसेस गेम का वो गेम बनाया, ड्रेसेस के बारे में वो पूछने लगी, तब मैडी ने उसकी तरफ ध्यान दिया. और तब तक ये मैडी को ऐसा पता भी नहीं था कि ये जो वंडा पेट्रोन्स्की है वो गरीब है. सो शी नेवर रियलाइज्ड इट until and unless पैगी हैड इन्वेंटेड दैट ड्रेसेस गेम. तो पैगी ने ये जब ड्रेसेस के बारे में उनसे पूछा, वंडा को पूछा, तब जाके मैडी को पता लगा था कि वंडा भी उसके जैसे गरीब थी, पुअर थी. But suppose Peggy and all the others started in on her next. She wasn't as poor as Wanda, perhaps, but she was poor. So ये मैडी है, उसको ऐसा लगता था कि पैगी अगर वो उसको मना करेगी कि ये अच्छा नहीं है, हमें ऐसा मजाक नहीं करना चाहिए, किसी का फन नहीं उड़ाना चाहिए ड्रेसेस के बारे में, तो पैगी क्या करेगी, वो भी अदर स्कूल मेट्स के साथ मिलकर मैडी की मजाक उड़ाएगी, वो भी मैडी का फन करेगी, ऐसा मैडी को लगता था. लेकिन उसको ऐसा भी लगता था दैट शी वॉजंट एज पुअर एज वंडा पेट्रोन्स्की. उसको ऐसा भी लगता था कि मैं वंडा जितनी तो पुअर नहीं हूँ. ऑफ कोर्स शी वुड हैव मोर सेंस देन टू से शी हैड 100 ड्रेसेस. स्टिल शी वुड नॉट लाइक For them to begin on her, she wished Peggy would stop teasing Wanda Petronsky. So Maddie wished that Peggy should now stop to tease Wanda Petronsky, and if they started making fun of Maddie, then of course he would not say that I am having 100 ड्रेसेस. वो ऐसा कभी नहीं बोलेगी कि मेरे पास 100 ड्रेसेस है, लेकिन उसको ऐसा लगता था कि तो भी ये पैगी को कभी भी ये वंडा पेट्रोन्स्की का मजाक नहीं उड़ाना चाहिए. और मैडी विश दैट नाउ पैगी शुड stop teasing Wanda Petronsky. Thank you and have a nice day.